We have a 2-pack light. It's a solar light. And what it does, you put it outside for security. It's got a sensor, a PIR sensor. It's going to light up 3 different ways. It's going to light up bright 100% and then turn off. It's going to light up dull 50% and then turn back to dull. And it's going to stay on dull. What we're going to do is just demonstrate in an area, show you how to hang it up, put it in the sunlight, and charge. From dusk to dawn, these are great to give lights in a shaded area, in a low-level lit area, hallways, outdoor, etc., etc. We get about 8 feet to 10 feet of cable, and we're going to take the solar panel and the bracket that comes off so we can screw it to a wall and lock it into place. I have here is the bracket. It's going to be installed. I'm going to stick this one up pretty high, right about here. Afternoon sun. Find a spot. Nail up. And I'm going to stick the light in just about the same area, maybe over here, and adjust accordingly to the sun. The sun going to go this way. If the sun is back over there, this won't work. Take the other piece, place over here. Put these up. Slide the solar panel and adjust it. That's the way I want it, just like this. Do the same thing, take the bracket off and put 2 screws in. Peel the sensor off, getting sun, and aiming it just about the way I want it. Slide down and adjust. That is one of the button levels, 2 and 3. We have the light on, and it recognized me when I set my camera up. We'll wait for it to go off. If I start to move, the light's going to go on. And that's how this light works. I won't be able to get up on the pole to change it. So let's go to the back and see how that light goes on. We have the light on. Did the same thing out in the front. But here we get to control the light as it will go down to 50% and then come on. That is the first mode. We're on the second mode, which will be off, and then come on when it detects motion. Now the light goes off entirely, and I'm going to walk into the beam. And that is how that light works. Now the next one will be at full, go down to half, and then when it senses motion, it'll light up full. No need for me to show that. So we're at 50% light for 4 hours. If it senses motion, it'll go back to that 4 hours again. And then the next one will be in the off position, 3 modes. Now these are great security LED lights. They could place anywhere about 10-15 feet away, anywhere that you need to have light, by a shed, side of the house, back of the house, by the boat, you name it. You could put it anywhere you want. Take it out camping with you, lay it out there, and this way you can light up the area when you have to go anywhere out where you need to be at. So I hope this product may be right for you. The 2-pack security light. Have a great day.